Welcome back to Meghanasgallery. Today we're gonna paint the simplest one like this. I did this with four colors of acrylics: cadmium red, cadmium orange, cadmium yellow, and black. I basically I'm using the 140 GSM paper here and the regular brush, wide brush, and I'm gonna wet my paper so I'll have a smooth blend. I wanted to have a darker and brighter look on the top and much blended yellowish color to white in the middle. I'm trying to do it as vigorously as possible here because it's paper. If it is on canvas, it doesn't dry up as fast as on paper. So I'm gonna keep on adding a little bit of water just to make sure I'm not ripping off my paper as well. So I took some black. I'm looking for something in the middle. I'm trying to give it a reflection kind of a thing. So I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Let's go to a more comfortable brush here. This is a round brush, size 8 I believe. Now let's start with our tree. You can literally paint any kind of tree, draw with some couple of birds or safari. Like you can put the tree either side or in the middle and then put some animals around it like a giraffe or an elephant or a couple of birds. I wanted just to be a solo tree there, as if I'm watching from a distant view. To have this is my rough brush that's available for me there. If you don't have any rough brush like that, you could use a toothbrush as well for this. Yeah, that's right. And I'm gonna draw the same reflection downward as well now. So we had 4 strikes up, so 4 down, and then a little bit of leaves. I don't want to add any clouds or any other background for this. I'm really happy with how it is looking now, but I wanted to have a couple of sprinkles of either white paint or black. I think I'll go with black. I'm going to use my rough brush again, the kids brush. That is, the bristles are really stiff on that one. Or we could use a toothbrush as well for this one, a new one or an old one, whichever you think is available at the moment. So just dip your brush into this black paint and then run it through your fingers. Really, you have to find the medium, and if it is too runny, you're gonna have droplets of paint too big or maybe too light that after it dries out, it will be hardly visible. So if it is too thick, paint doesn't actually fall down from your finger at all from the brush. So just find the texture there, and then run through your finger, either of your fingers, and then you will see a couple of sprinkles of paint. I'm going with the black one here, and thanks for watching. Hope you really enjoyed this. If you do, please give a thumbs up and do share to your friends, and also subscribe to Meghanasgallery. See you next time. Bye.